Hey guys, it's Davita with WTI. I am just about to head out for a night out. I got dressed up and I put on one of my favorite red lip colors. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Let me tell you why I am obsessed with it. This is the color Monte Carlo. I think it would be best described like a deep cherry red. When it dries down, it's almost like a raspberry. It's really pretty. I think that this could be worn for a day look or an evening out night look. It applies really soft and smooth, almost glossy when you apply it, and I would say it takes maybe 5 minutes or less to dry down to a matte texture, and it is not overly drying. I think this is the perfect color red. It's subtle, soft, and it's one of my favorites. And that is my point of view.